I thought since I changed the tire I might have had something rubbing, but I've cut all the whiskers off. I found the spot where it does it. And the kenda mark is almost down, but there's nothing rubbing here. But you can hear that noise. It only happens when I have my weight on the wheel. I wonder if maybe one of the ball bearings is not right or something. It started on a ride with us when I was off-road. I don't feel it, but I hear it. Obviously it's only happening in the forward direction. What do you think, guys?